Help! Can you help me? It's an emergency. When you are in the situation that you need help, what are you going to do? Or if this has happened to you and you have experienced that when you need help, you were so helpless. Or is this something that you wanted to prepare in advance? So you just wanted to make sure that you are prepared in every situation. If this is you, stick with me until the end of the video because I will show you simple ways for you to be prepared. Let's go. Let's start with a word that is the most important word, which is 帮助. 帮助. Help. Help. Repeat after me. 帮助. 帮助.